Hello students, my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel NIPTEL Chemistry class. Here you find Chemistry Detective to solve your chemistry class 11th NCERT problem 1.29. So our problem is calculate the molarity of solution of ethanol in water in which mole fraction of ethanol is 0.040. Assume density of water to be 1. This is a numerical problem, and this numerical problem is based on solution, and solution is of ethanol in water. So in this solution, ethanol is solute, we will represent it by 2, and water is solvent, we will represent it by 1. Now here for this solution, concentration in terms of mole fraction of solute ethanol is given 0.040, and now we have to calculate concentration of this solution but in terms of molarity, that is molar concentration. So guys, you need to have ideas of two concentration terms which are used to express concentration of solution. One is molarity and another is mole fraction. Not only idea, you need to have in mind their applied equations, one for molarity and one for mole fraction. Let me remind molarity for you. Reminder is that molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, and mole fraction is the fraction of moles of solute present in solution. Molarity of solution is equal to ratio of number of moles of solute and volume of solution in liters, and mole fraction is equal to ratio of number of moles of solute and total number of moles present in solution. With these ideas, I will practice solution of this problem. First, I need to determine molarity, that is, I need to determine number of moles of ethanol present in present in 1 liter solution. And this we have to determine number of moles of solute present in 1 liter solution. We have to calculate this thing. Second is mole fraction of solute, and mole fraction of solute is represented by X and is named as chi, and solute here is ethanol. Ethanol for us is 2 and water for us is 1. Mole fraction of solute ethanol represented by chi 2 is equal to ratio of its moles, ratio of moles of ethanol, that is N2, and 2 here represents ethanol, and total number of moles. Total number of moles will be equal to, since it is a binary solution, there are only two components, one solvent water, 2 solute ethanol. Total number of moles in solution will be sum of moles of solvent water and solute ethanol, N1 plus N2. and this thing is given, this concentration term is given, that mole fraction of ethanol, solute ethanol in this solution is 0.040. Now I will start solving it. I will exploit one information which is conveyed to me by this concentration term mole fraction. See, mole fraction is 0.040. If there are only moles of solute, then N1 will become 0, N2 divided by N2 will become 1. Maximum value of mole fraction of 2 ethanol will come equal to 1. So maximum value of ethanol, maximum value of mole fraction of ethanol in pure ethanol is 1, but here value is negligible in comparison to 1, or very small in comparison to 1, 0.04. Therefore, on basis of this value, I can say that our solution of ethanol in water is dilute, and in dilute solution, we take volume of solution equal to volume of solvent. We have to find number of moles of ethanol in 1 liter solution. This 1 liter solution we can take approximately equal to 1 liter solvent, and solvent is water and its density is 1. Therefore, mass of solvent is 1 kg, that is 1000 grams. Solution is dilute, volume of solution we can take equal to volume of solvent. Volume of solution is 1 liter, therefore volume of solvent water is 1 liter. Now considering that density of water is 1, if volume is 1 liter, its mass will be 1 kg, and 1 kg means 1000 grams. We have 1000 grams of water, we have 1000 grams of solvent water, and we can consider it as 1000 grams of solution. I will first find here value of N2, number of moles of solute ethanol. Considering that I know number of moles of solvent water, because I know its mass 1 kg 1000 gram, and molar mass of water I also know 18 grams. I will substitute, I will express number of moles of solvent water in terms of its mass, available mass and molar mass. Chi2 value is already known to me, and this will allow me to find value of number of moles of solute ethanol present in 1 liter of solution, which will be molarity for me. Chi2 is equal to N2 divided by N1. N1 I will express in terms of available mass of solvent W1 and molar mass of solvent M1 plus N2. I will substitute values. N2, number of moles of solute ethanol. W1, weight, available mass of solvent water, which is 1000 gram. Molar mass of solvent, which is 18 gram, plus number of moles of solute ethanol. Now this value Chi2, mole fraction of solute ethanol, is given in the question 0.040 is equal to N2 divided by 1000. It comes equal to, when you will divide 1000 by 18, it will come equal to 55.5 approximately plus N2. I will solve this equation Now I will solve this equation for N2. I may write 55.5 plus N2 multiply by 0.040 is equal to N2. Or I will write like this, multiplied by 0.040 is equal to N2. It will be 55.5 multiplied by 0.040 plus 0.040 multiplied by N2 is equal to N2. It comes equal to 55.5 multiplied by 0.040. I have already evaluated this value and it comes equal to, or I can solve it here. It is equal to 55.5 multiplied by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and I will take 0.040 N2 here in LH on a LHS side. It will change its sign and will become negative, minus 0.040 N2. .5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to, I will take N2 common, number of moles of solute ethanol which I have to determine present in 1 liter of solution, 1 minus 0.040, and N2 will be equal to, N2 will be equal to 55.5 multiplied by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2. It will come equal to 0.96. 0.96 I can write 96 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2, 10 raised to power minus 2, 10 raised to power minus 2 will get cancelled. I may write N2 is equal to 55.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 96. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fours are 16. It is equal to 55.5 divided by 24, and it will come equal to, I have already evaluated this value, it comes equal to 2.3 approximately, 2.3. Now what is this 2.3 for us? 2.3 is the number of moles of solute ethanol which we represented by 2 present in 1 liter of solution. Therefore for us it is molarity, because molarity is ratio of number of moles of solute and volume of solution in liters. Number of moles of solute we found equal to 2.3, volume of solution in liter we found 1 liter. Therefore molarity will be 2.3 and its unit will be mole per liter. This is the solution. So answer to this numerical problem is that molarity of solution of ethanol in water is 2.3 mole per liter. If I may recall this numerical problem for you one time, given was solution of ethanol in water, we identified ethanol is solute, we will represent it by 2, water is solvent, we will represent it by 1. For this solution, concentration term, mole fraction of ethanol in solution was given 0.040. Now we needed to determine concentration of this solution in terms of molarity. One hint was given that density of water is 1. I said that on base of value of mole fraction 0.040, I can reckon this solution as dilute, and for dilute solution, volume of solution is equal to volume of solvent. And if volume of solution is 1 liter, volume of solvent will be 1 liter. Solvent is water, so we have 1 liter of water. But density of water is 1, volume of water is 1 liter. It means available mass of solvent water is 1 kg, means 1000 grams. And I know molar mass of solvent water is 18. By having knowledge of available mass of water 1000 gram and molar mass of water 18 gram, I easily first calculated number of moles of solvent water, which came 55.5. Now I used this equation of, I had to calculate molarity, that is number of moles of ethanol present in 1 liter solution. I used this expression of mole fraction of solute, which is the ratio of number of moles of solute, total number of moles present in solution. This mole fraction of solute ethanol was given 0.040. Number of moles of solute I had to determine, N2 I had to determine, N1 I know, because I know available mass of solvent water is 100 gram and molar mass of water is 18. I first got this equation, and this mathematical equation I solved for N2, and I got value of N2, number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution, equal to 2.3. Now I said that 2.3 for me is not the number of moles of solute, it is the number of moles of solute ethanol present in 1 liter of solution, that is molarity of solution. Even if you want to determine molarity is equal to ratio of number of moles of solute and volume of solution in liters. Volume of solution in liter you have to take 1, because you have to find molarity. Number of moles of solute are 2.3. Therefore, molarity of this solution of ethanol in water is 2.3, and its unit is mole per liter. Thank you. This is what I have got for you in this short session. Take good care of yourself. See you tomorrow with one new chemistry class, 11th NCERT problem. Allah Hafiz.